How to become Uber driver. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can become an Uber driver, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you'd like to basically become an Uber driver, all you have to do is, first of all, you have to download the Uber driver application from your Play Store or your App Store. Now once you go ahead and then make sure to have that particular Uber driver app, you're going to see this type of information. Now what you need to do is you have to have all this information here as they ask you, which is first of all your profile photo, the driver's license, the vehicle insurance, the registration certificate of the RC, and the vehicle commercial permit. So first of all, go to profile photo tab, make sure to just tap on take photo and take your legal photo, such as the passport size photo. Then here you can go to driving's license and make sure that you have a photo of your driving's license and tap on take photo to take the photo of your driving's license. Similarly, repeat the steps for vehicle insurance, RC, and commercial permit, and then after Uber verifies the document, you'll be able to become an Uber driver. This way you can become an Uber driver. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.